Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you want to get more eyes on your Shopify store without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through several proven ways to advertise your Shopify store for free. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to attract high-quality visitors using smart strategies that don't cost a dime. So let's jump straight in. The first method is SEO, or search engine optimization. This is all about helping your store show up on Google and other search engines right when people are searching for what you sell. Here's how you do it. Sprinkle relevant long-tail keywords throughout your product titles, descriptions, image alt tags, and even your URLs. For example, if you're selling handmade candles, use phrases like soy lavender candle instead of just candle. Write blog posts on topics your audience genuinely cares about. Think, how to choose a candle scent for your home, or best gift ideas for new homeowners. When you link those blog posts back to your product pages, and from product pages back to your blog, it helps Google understand your site better and sends visitors deeper into your shop. And don't forget technical details. Make sure your site loads quickly and looks great on mobile. These tweaks won't bring instant results, but over time, they build a steady organic stream of traffic from people who are already searching for what you offer. Next up is content marketing. This is more than just blogging. Think how-to guides, gift guides, and product comparisons. Try making helpful content that solves a problem or entertains. It could be quick videos showing your product in action, infographics with fun facts, or a simple blog post listing top gifts under $25. Repurposing is your friend here. For example, a single blog article can be chopped up into several social media posts or even a mini newsletter. The goal becomes so useful that people come back again and again, and maybe even pass your content on to their friends. When your store feels like a trusted resource, not just a sales page, folks are much more likely to buy. Let's talk about organic social media. Pick the platforms where your audience actually hangs out, whether that's Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, or Facebook. Post regularly and not just about products. Share stories, short videos, behind-the-scenes clips, or real customer photos with their purchases. Make the most of hashtags to get discovered, and always reply to comments or messages. These little interactions build trust and make your brand memorable. Here's a tip. Partner with micro-influencers who have strong followings in your niche. Offer them a product in exchange for a shout-out or a review. Often their endorsement is more effective than paying big money for ads. Now, don't overlook email marketing. Start collecting emails as soon as possible through pop-ups, small discounts, or free downloads. Then regularly send useful newsletters. Let subscribers know about new products, or remind them of abandoned carts. Segmenting your list is key here. Send different messages to the folks who bought dog toys versus those who browsed candles. With email, you control the channel, and you're speaking directly to an audience who wants to hear from you. Plus, email has one of the highest returns on investment in digital marketing. Referral marketing is super powerful. Encourage happy customers to refer friends by offering discounts to both the referrer and their friend. Ask for reviews, or better yet, photos or videos of them using your product. You could even run a little contest or giveaway to get people talking. People trust recommendations from real users way more than ads. User-generated content and word of mouth can boost your credibility and widen your reach for free. Consider joining communities and forums. Find Facebook groups, Reddit communities, Quora topics, or industry-specific forums related to your products. Don't jump in just to promote, contribute genuine help and advice, and only mention your store when it's truly relevant. Many communities allow you to add a link to your store in your profile or signature, grabbing interest without being spammy. These are often highly engaged, targeted audiences. List your shop on Google My Business, if you're eligible, marketplaces, and directories. Even platforms like Pinterest act as giant visual directories. Pin your products with links and take advantage of free exposure. The more places people can discover your store, the better your chances of driving new traffic. This is especially helpful for local searches too. Finally, optimize your store's user experience. All the free traffic in the world won't help if visitors bounce or don't trust your site. Make your store load quickly, choose a mobile-friendly theme, and keep navigation simple and clear. High-quality product images, easy checkout, and visible trust signals, like reviews and secure payment badges, can make the difference between someone buying or leaving. Think of your store like a well-organized shopfront. The more inviting and credible it looks, the more likely people are to stick around and buy. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your store. Don't forget to subscribe for more free tutorials just like this. Good luck and I'll see you in the next video.